Hello, my name's Kenneth Watt, just call me Ken. I'm passionate about hoverflies and have been for the last 46 years. Having an interest outdoors is very important for your health, and then nowadays it's all about mental health. It's just great. My passion is going out into different parts of Scotland, out into the wilds and hunting down the hoverflies. My little group hunt down these insects mainly to find out their living requirements so that we can conserve them for future generations. We're not just recorders like stamp collectors. We want to do something for science and for nature. And so getting these records into a centre like NBN is very important. I feel I am achieving something for nature. Over the years, I've now built up over 100,000 records. The best example is there were three very, very rare hoverflies. We went out and found these three. One of them, the Blair-Phalax, it's so rare that we only found it in 2 sites in the whole of Scotland. We've joined up with the Zoological Society to breed this hoverfly, and we are releasing them back into the wild in new places. So maybe you will come across the fine hoverfly, Blair-Phalax.